The first warmth of spring brought the dandelions out of the bank's knolls. They were the first proofs that winter was really going, and we began to listen for the blackbirds and swallows. We loved the bright flowers, for there were so many reflections of the warming sun. They soon became more familiar and invaded the yards. Then they overran the lawns, and we began to despise them. We hated them because we had made up our minds not to have them, not because they were unlovable. In spite of every effort, we could not get rid of them. Then if we must have them, we decided to love them. Where once were weeds, are now golden coins scattered in the sun, and bees reveling in color. And we are happy. Liberty Hyde Bailey.